Young Filipinos love affordable, accessible, and tantalizing dishes, but the joy of home-cooked meals remains unmatched. Unilever's Knorr had the perfect recipe to bring them back at a time when Filipinos craved warm meals the most. With a rising love for budget-friendly meals that are accessible almost instantly, home cooking is slowly taking the back seat in the Philippines. But Knorr wanted to rekindle it, and the brand's versatile, value-for-money sinigang soup bases perfectly suited the needs of mindful Filipino consumers, since sinigang is their favorite comfort dish. The brand decided to drive product awareness in an engaging way and spotlight the easy, multi-use nature of the sinigang soup bases. As clouds gather, cravings for steaming soups brew, and Knorr seized this opportunity. The brand partnered with InMobi and Mindshare. Leveraging InMobi's innovative solutions and InMobi audiences, it targeted young cooks, mindful shoppers, and budget seekers via top as well as niche casual gaming and utility apps. The brand engaged them with a rich media unit on mobile. An interactive roulette enabled Filipinos to spin the wheel, featuring 5 sinigang dishes. The messaging induced a sense of excitement, and the brand topped it off with a catchy jingle. When the wheel landed on a dish, a call to action prompted them to get recipe, leading to Knorr's website listing other delectable recipes too. Now, let's talk about the unique touch: weather targeting. To ensure it reached Filipinos at the right moment, the brand showcased hyper-local ads displayed specifically during rainy weather, which is perfect for enjoying sinigang. With each downpour, Knorr's sinigang delighted Filipinos. So, there you have it, the recipe for a ladle full of success. Knorr reached over 2.5 million unique users and recorded a 1.86 times higher click-through rate than the benchmark. Moreover, InMobi's brand lift study revealed that almost 1 in 2 users became aware of the brand. Here are some warm words from Knorr.